Hagen Realty Group is proud to offer Greengate Farm, a 70-acre equestrian facility that is located just west of Atlanta in Rica, Georgia. The property is perfect for continued equestrian use or other exotic animals such as llamas, alpacas, ostrich, or even cattle or goats. It would be an ideal bed and breakfast, corporate retreat, or event venue. So many possibilities make this a must-see property for everyone. The beauty of this property is almost endless, from the careful detail of the 4-bedroom, 3-bath, custom-built home to the state-of-the-art 8-stall horse stable. This is a property that can offer so much potential to so many different buyers. See for yourself. This magnificent farm is being offered at an online-only auction, so don't miss your opportunity to buy. For more information, contact Hagen Realty Group at 770-838-0552 or visit our website at hrgsold.com.